Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make meat pie and the sausage roll using one and the same dough. Let's get started. We will start by making the meat pie sauce, and for this I've got some tiny chopped carrots, green bell pepper, onions, and the Irish potato. Next, add some oil into the pot and start by frying the onions. After frying it for about 2 minutes, then add your minced meat. Sorry, I did not show you the minced meat, but yeah, we're using ground meat, beef. Then fry and add some water and allow the meat to cook. We are also adding some beef seasoning cubes. Add according to the quantity of the sauce you are making. Curry powder, when the minced meat is cooked, then add the potatoes and cover, allow to cook for about 5 minutes. After 5 to 7 minutes, check the progress of your potato and the minced meat. Then stir very well. It is now time to add the carrot and the green bell peppers. Stir everything properly, test for salt, and then put off your gas. Meat pie sauce is ready. Set it aside, allow to cool off while we prepare the dough. Next, sift in some flour into a dry mixing bowl. Here we are using 8 cups of all-purpose flour and 500 grams of butter or margarine. For complete measurements of the ingredients, check my previous video on how to make meat pie. I'll leave the link in the description box below. Just add your water gradually until you form the dough we are looking for. When done mixing it, then allow the dough to rest for about 10 minutes before filling it with either the sausage or meat pie sauce. Remember, I told you we are making meat pie and sausage roll from the same dough. Now we are starting with the sausage roll. I hope you are enjoying the video. Have you given us a thumbs up? If you have not, please click that like button. Thank After filling and rolling all, the next step is to egg wash them, and we're doing this with egg. After which we'll now put in the oven and bake for about 40 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Brethren, here we have our delicious and sumptuous meat pie and sausage rolls. This was so yummy, so delicious. Believe me when I tell you that. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and also share the video. And if you are new here, please also subscribe. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.